YFQ-44A, codename Fury, born from Anduril's acquisition of the small startup Blue Force Technologies in 2023. From design blank to first flight, it took just 556 days. A speed nearly impossible in the world of fighter aircraft. First flight, October 31st, 2025. Not remotely controlled like a typical drone, but semi-autonomous, thinking and making its own decisions in real time. Fury is designed to be a robotic wingman for American fighter jets, the F-22, F-35, and F-47. A single human pilot controls multiple Fury units simultaneously from his cockpit. These robots fly side by side, carrying out missions that previously required multiple manned aircraft. Their roles can be reconnaissance, preemptive strike, or decoys to lure enemy air defenses. Fury isn't just a flying spy, she's armed. A few months after its maiden flight, Fury began testing carrying AIM 120 AMRAAM air-to-air missiles. Its weapon safety system was validated directly in a series of flight tests. This meant the robot now had the capability to engage aerial targets without a human pilot, whose life was at stake in the cockpit. This is what makes Fury dangerous, not just to the enemy, but to the way air warfare has worked so far. Because Fury is cheap and can be mass-produced, it can be sacrificed in combat without significant loss. If it is destroyed, that's far cheaper than losing a human pilot and a jet worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This meant commanders could take greater risks, sending Fury first into the most dangerous areas, luring the enemy into firing first, and only then would the actual manned jet move in. In April 2026, its main rival, General Atomics' Dark Merlin, crashed and was grounded for 6 weeks. Fury continues to fly, accumulating flight hours that its competitors cannot match. The US Air Force plans to procure over 1,000 combat drones like this. The first 100 to 150 are targeted to be operational by 2030. Fury is more than just a new drone. It represents the beginning of an era where machines will take the greatest risks in war, not humans.